We have seen many videos about social marketing agencies where different people started their agencies and made $10,000, $100,000 per month. Question is coming right now: can we do the same one with AI agents? Behind me is a real blue ocean. This is mean that there are many possibilities right now with AI and we start an AI agency. How to do this, how to properly to set up, how to target clients, and what services to offer to them. Let's talk about specifically about that in this video on this YouTube channel, BizDNA, where we are encoding the growth of your business. So let's get started this video. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, and as I mentioned in this video, we are going in detail how you can start your own AAA agency, AI agency, and potentially you can make $250,000 per year recurring profit. How to do this, going in details again in this video. Before starting, just wanted to say one more thing. Don't forget to go below this video to our BizDNA club and join over 50,000. As you can see, different business leaders and professionals from many companies are inside. Again, you can find link below this video. So let's get started with launching your own AAA agency. And the first step is really very simple one. It is, what is AAA? What is AI agency? Basically, AI agency is similar to another one, like a social marketing one or SEO marketing one. Is the core idea is to help different business owners to grow their business. And for growing their business, you can reduce many costs with AI when you can do automation, right? We are coming right now with new revolution. We had technology revolution 200 years ago when factory started and labor cost was changed by different machines. Right now, AI is doing the same, when you can do automation in different areas of business, and in such case we can grow their business and reduce the cost. So our goal is to help business owners to optimize their business processes and to help to grow their business. And question will be, the step number 2 is why business owners will need our services and what type of services we can offer to them. All right, as I mentioned, any business is coming to two main ideas: is to have more profits and less cost, less losses, right? So more profits, that means that they need more leads, more sales. With reducing losses and costs, you can cut with labor costs, right? With reducing costs in different areas. So if you can help at least in one area, for example, right here, their net profit will go higher. So question is coming. As you can see, we are cutting costs and their profit is growing. So question is coming, okay, what type of services we can help to different business owners, right? What we can offer to them, and that they will see the value, and instead of that they will willing to pay for our services. And the question will be is really very simple one. We will use in the future, you can use actually different AI tools, but I found this one really cool one because it's combined different one, and it is focusing on specifically on business areas. So BizWiz AI is focusing on 4 different areas. First one is AI-driven content creation. Basically, right now we are in digital area. Everybody needs content, either the text or images or video, right? So here you can create AI content with really super fast and at cheap cost. Secondly is where you can manage social media. You have, for example, different links like YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter. So you need to manage all that. So you can manage with AI tools right here from one area, from one tool, right? The next one is customer support. Basically, if you have e-commerce shop, right, you need online customer support 24/7. Here you can again implement this one with automation customer support, which is based on AI. And the last one is you can service. You can have 32, as you can see, different agents and even coders inside of your team. It's like virtual assistants which are specialized in different areas. For example, like in SEO, or for example in legal advices, in finances, in marketing, and coders which can code for you. So all of this one can provide really big value to potential clients, right? And in such case, you have already potential services which you can offer to your clients. Okay, and the next question will be, the next step is pricing. Okay, so question will be how much we can charge for our services. And for answering this question, we need to understand, okay, what value we can bring to our clients, right? How much we can reduce their cost in operation, how much we can save them. In such case, we can see potential pricing. For example, who can benefit, let's say, from AI-powered content generation? Small business owners, local businesses, right, which doesn't have too much stuff inside of their team, right, so they can use this one. Marketing different agencies, freelancers, startups, bloggers, influencers, e-commerce tourists, and list go on. So if you will go to BizDNA, and there are different, as you can see, features. Let's say we are going to social media management, right, and you can scroll down and you can see also who can benefit from this service, or let's say from AI agents, virtual assistants, right? So we can see also who can benefit from this one. So let's go to the big question, how much money we can save. Let's say only one area, let's say with customer support, this one, right? How much we can save. Online 24/7 support member in USA is approximately $2,000 per month. So we are saving only with this one $24,000, right? How much is social media management, some manager which is posting links inside to different social media run? Let's say another one, I will say even $3,000, right, per year. So we are saving $36,000 with this one social media management. Content creator, right, content writer which can write for you different posts and create a different one. Let's say minimum one is $2,000, so it is another one $24,000 per year. So only like with these three services, as you can see, it is, we are like 50,000, 36,000, so we are already coming close to $80,000 saving for any business which is doing something online. And if you will expand with 32 agents and coders, it's like insane amount potential one we can help to different owners, right? So it can like hundreds and thousands of dollars we can save to them. So if we are saving, let's say in general, $100,000 per year for any business, question is coming, how much we can charge for our service? The answer is really simple one. It's like up to you. In my opinion, if you will go and say, hey, we can help you and save $100,000 per year but you need to pay for our services $500 per month, it is, you can see the difference is huge one. It's like no brainer. It's like no big deal for them to make this decision and jump to the board. And that is why we recommend to go with the price $497, like $500 per month. And in the beginning of this video, I say that you can make with this with your agency nearly $250,000 per year. Let me explain you how you can do this one. Let's say that you will close one client per week, which is like not big deal, right? One client per week, it is $500. So at the end of the first month, you will have $2,000 recurring income, right? and in 1 year you will have $23,000 per month, which is 10. Let's make calculation one by 12. So you will have even close to $300,000 per year. So again, as you can see, this is reasonable one. This is like, I'm not taking this amount from something ridiculous one, but it is a reasonable number, and to close one client per week, it is not big deal. So now when we understand the structure and what is needed, all right, so we are coming to this, the next step is coming, what is needed for us to get started your AAA agency. And the answer is really very simple one. Basically, you will need to have your website, which is domain, right, and hosting, right, and some documents, right, some agreements. If you will go to BizDNA, to the agency program, you can see that they are providing free hosting. So basically you do have hosting. They will provide for you free website. All you need to do is just simply to order a domain, and they will install your website. You can customize it, make changes, right? Plus you will have documents, also legal documents with side of this agency program, and you will be ready to go. So all you have to do is just only actions from your side to willing to start and to choose some domain. Basically you can start within 24 hours finding leads, finding clients, and starting your business. The last step, which is most important one, is step number 5, is leads, where we can find those leads. We can talk about this topic really for a very long one, because there are so many ways to find the leads. I will here just simply make summary of ideas for you to understand where you can find your clients for your services. And again, the question is coming, which type of clients to target. Again, you can go to the features, to content creation, or to other social media management, let's say, and you see that you can target small and medium businesses, you can target marketing agencies, influencers, e-commerce businesses, startups. All those areas is super big one, right? Even small and medium businesses is like insane number of different over there potential markets for you to target with. But again, let's go to details where we can find the leads. So let's start firstly with mostly the free way of finding leads, or with the minimum cost. The first one way is to use LinkedIn system, and especially with their sales navigator, where you can find really tons and tons of potential leads for your agency. Also you can use Everboot, which is a sales navigator, as you can see, scrapper, which you can scrap LinkedIn sales navigator and export it, and later on contact those clients. If you don't want to use paid version of LinkedIn Sales Navigator or Everboot, you can find at Fiverr, search for LinkedIn Sales Navigator, and for the minimum cost like 10-20 bucks, they can extract 10,000, 20,000 potential leads, which is really a cool one. So this is like the first one of the ways to find leads. The second one is to use different directories and different industry databases. For example, like example is a clutch.co, where you can there are like different businesses online providing services, you can partner with them. Or for example, upcity.com, or if, for example, if you wanted to target realtors, you can find the directory of realtors and contact them over there. The next way is to target Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, or TopTal. Over there, they have businesses which are looking for agency services, and it's a great place to identify potential leads and understand market needs. The next way is to use different AI-powered generation tools. For example, Zoom Info. This is a really big database, which is like you can use their B2B data to connect with potential clients, or for example Apollo.io, where as you can see 265 million contacts, which is powered by AI. How to use all those tools, again, you can search in YouTube, or we will make separate video about that in the future. The next way to find potential clients is networking and events. So if you are focusing on, let's say, on dentals or on realtors, you can come to the events and present your services to them, and to show what the value and what benefits you can bring to them. And after that, if you will use even a couple of those steps at the beginning, you will get some already your clients. So you can ask them to be your referrals, so that they will talk about your services to their friends, and and in such case you can give to them, for example, let's say 30% commission, right, or 20 lifetime commission for any new client which they will bring to your agency, which is really cool. So for example, some realtor can bring their friends, and they will have extra income, extra profit as well. For you, it will be less and less problems to find potential leads, because when it will be about friends, usually they will close, it will be really easy to close those leads and those referrals. And the next one is paid ads. Paid ads is really cool one also, when you can use Google, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn even for promoting your agency. But again, I recommend you to do this one at the end, when you will reach some profit for your agency and you will have enough resources to invest in paid ads. Again, even those LinkedIn way, directories, Upwork, TopTal, AI, different tools, networking, referrals, it require minimum cost from you, but only some time to do this one, right? So, and at the end, I recommend you only to do after this one paid ads. So now, when you will have enough leads to start with, you can start growing your agency. And with BizDNA, you can see you will have unbranded panel, so that your client will log in, or you will do for them your services. And you need to focus on two most important things. First of all, quality of your services, quick turnaround of them for your clients, and secondly, finding more and more leads for your agencies. And again, as I mentioned, this is not so difficult one to find one client per week. In such case, in 1 year you will have almost $24,000 per month net profit, almost, which will be close to $300,000 profit, recurring one for your company. Basically, that's it, guys. Again, I encourage everybody, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also to our newsletter, BizDNA Club, where over 50,000 different ambitious professionals and business leaders from many companies joining us to our newsletter. If you'll have some questions, let me know. And thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye for now.